Hi everyone, my name is Leandro Porfirio from LA Accounting. When you think about starting a business in Australia, one of the biggest decisions is choosing between the right structure, sole trader or a company Pty. If you get this wrong, you could overpay thousands of dollars in tax. In this video, we're going to explain to you the pros, the cons, rates, and tax liabilities, and also put real life scenarios where a business owner saved up to $20,000 choosing the right structure, a company Pty. So what is a sole trader? Sole trader is a simple and most common structure. You have your business in your personal name. There is no separation between you and your business. All the assets from the business belongs to you, profits, and also you going to be taxed as a personal rate that can be up to 45.7%. So what is a company? Company is a legal separate entity that is registered with the ASIC. The company has their own profits, own liabilities, and own assets, not you. There's a legal separation. As a director of the company, you can control the whole company, but it's taxed separately, not the same as you. So for a sole trader, what's the pros and cons? Sole trader is cheaper to set up, there's lower costs, also you have a full control of the business, there's no directors or shareholders to answer to. However, you have a higher liability because you have unlimited liability. If you have any legal case against you, all your personal assets could be in risk. Also, you are taxed as a marginal rate that can be up to 47%. So the company Pty, the pros are the company pays a flat tax rate at 25% for small business under 50 million. There's a limited liability, so if the company goes under or bankruptcy or any debt, your personal assets are protected. It's much easier to scale. As the company, you can include new partners, directors, shareholders, and so on. The most cons from the company Pty are the compliance. You need much more compliance for your company. You have the ASIC registration, company tax return, director responsibilities, and so on. So, but just as example, one client, Susan, she made $180,000 as a sole trader. At that level, she would pay higher income, up to 47% in her profits. So if she switched to a company, she only pays 25% of tax. This is a massive saving tax, about $20,000 per year. So the question is, what's the main difference between the company and the personal tax? Company pays always 25%, but as a sole trader, you're going to pay up to 47% based your income. The HO every year change the rates. Depending how much you make, you're going to pay up to 47% in tax. But the main question is, when should I choose? When should I change? Should I keep a sole trader? Should I start as a company? So I'm gonna give you some numbers for you, some magic numbers for you keeping in the mind. If you make under $80,000 a year, you should keep as a sole trader if you don't have a high risk in your business. Because as a sole trader, you had much less compliance and also much less risk, potentially less risk for your business. But you should consider a company. If you make over 100,000, you really have to think about a company, or over 120K, the magic start to really happen here. So you can scale your business, you can pay yourself tax, you can pay yourself dividends, and so on. So some case of study here. If someone make 150K as a sole trader, the tax payable as a sole trader for 150K is about 41,700. As a company, you could potentially pay 37.5, but you have some savings here, about $4,000. Cannot be much, but there's a trick here. As a company, you can employ yourself, you can employ your partner. If you have a kid over 18, you can employ them and split the income. And this way you can really reduce your taxable income then when the magic happens. So keep this number in mind. As a company, if you really makes more than $100,000, you have to keep in mind to switch between a sole trader in a company. Company offer more legal protection, tax benefits, and if you need to change, if you need some advice, we are from a lay account service. We are here to help you. We're going to put in the link below our website. You can book a consultation with us to help you with the best